Once upon a long ago, when animals could still speak, I was in school and we had to make a workpiece with a feature a bit like this. And I wanted to give it a final touch with my round file. Of course, no handle, because when you're 14 years old, handles are useless. And I started to file. Of course, the machine was turning. One moment, my file slips, touches the jaws and is pushed right into my hand. And I had this file, this particular file, not one like this, is this one, I kept it since, was stuck in my hand, between my fingers. It didn't pass through, but the other side you saw a bump. And that's when I thought filing on a lathe can be dangerous. Don't worry, you can still see a little bit the mark, but no problem, my hand still works. Since then, what I do, I take a file, I cut off the point, I make a new point the other side, and then take the mama's brush, cut a piece off and put it in. The file is in the other way. Gives me this. You see, cut off the point, the file upside down. This one I had to cut out for a special feature. But this one you can use on the underside. You can see what you do. The work is spinning this way, nothing can happen. If the file slips, it will be pulled out of your hands and nothing happens. I show you this because I see you filing on your lathe like everyone does, the upside, and then sleeves hanging around. I tell you this because I want to enjoy your next video and see you still have all your fingers. That's why.